This is the story of how Pennypaws rescued me. By Linda Crowhurst. Stuck for so long in this Romanian shelter, I prayed that one day the Pennypaws Happy Bus would be for me, and the staff would come to me and say, "Who's a lucky chap? You're off to a loving home in the UK. Come on, grab your things." And every time the bus came, I would stare through the cage, waiting, praying that it was my turn to go to the UK, my turn to be loved. But each time, it was always someone else. All I wanted was a home, to be part of a loving family, somewhere safe and warm. I was very sad being left in the shelter on my own, and I used to wonder, is there no one out there for me? But then one day, the Pennypaws Happy Bus arrived, and it was for me. Someone wanted to love me, and I couldn't wait to love them too. Thank you, Pennypaws, for rescuing me. And lots of my friends. Ruff. Don't forget all the others, though. Thanks.